project for the day. 3D printed surgical masks. So I downloaded this thing off Thingiverse. I think somebody in China designed it. It's a little valvey. It's called a valvey. And this one has like a zipper up the front that sort of stitches together after you make it. And I use medical tape to hold it together. But it has these neat covers that go on there that I'll probably have to machine them a little bit to get them to fit. But and it has a little flap valve inside that that does, you know, it's like an inlet outlet valve. So, and then you put a filter inside there. So it's just as good as a nice expensive HEPA mask, and it cost me $1 and a lot of time to make one.